So in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Civils.ai to read off wall lengths from PDF drawings. So you'll see here on the left, I've already finished processing this drawing and I've already read off lengths of the different walls. And I basically with Civils.ai, anytime we take a measurement, we actually annotate the drawing. So you'll see across this set of drawings here, each time we've taken a measurement, we've actually got a label associated to it on the drawing. And so with Civils.ai, in this case, with this drawing, we were reading off the 3 different floors. So you'll see here, this is the prompt that I actually used. So measure and categorize the wall runs for the main floor, the second floor, and the third floor. And the results are here on the left. So we've done some grouping. So each floor has each wall has a certain tag according to which floor it's on, and then we actually measure off according to that. So with Civils.ai, we can read off both metric and imperial, and we auto scale the drawing. So you'll see here on the bottom right, we have the scale given. And the way that works is we either scale, as a priority, we scale off a drawing dimension, but we can also, if there are no dimensions given, we'll use scale that's written. So with Civils.ai, we annotate the drawing to show where each measurements come from. And in this case, with the wall runs, we've actually associated it to the code. So you'll see here P1 is a given code, or P5. And we count according to those. But if there's a schedule that's given inside the pack of the drawing, so let's say you want to know you want a description of each type of wall, we can actually cross-reference against that as well. You just need to make sure it's written in the prompt to use the schedule, the descriptions from the schedule. We also have this part of preferences memory, which is your measurement standards, which you want to apply across all the drawings. So in this case, I can actually type in the standards that I use on all the drawings. So you don't need to type in this prompt repetitively each time. You can also use some standards. And then once the processing's done, you can download the results that you see here on the left in an Excel file. You can also download the annotated PDF with all these annotations on. If you have comments, so once Civils.ai is finished processing, so this was on 15 drawings. So we just show the annotated drawings in here, but this was actually 15 drawings. But let's say there's something else you want us to pick up on. So you can actually add comments in here, and you can say, actually, you want, the 4th floor including. So you can say, in here, like include the 4th floor as well. Let's say you didn't include that in the previous prompt. Click submit, and then the processing will restart, and the additional measurements will be added on. So you can resubmit. And the way to actually get this set up is in Civils.ai, you can create projects. So you just click this create project button, and then this is a project I've already created. Within this one, you just click this extract quantities from CAD button, and then you drag and drop your PDF that you want to use here. And then you type in measure and categorize the wall run lengths. Then you can give this a name like wall takeoff, let's say. And then you click run, and that's it. You'll start processing. And then once it's ready, you can come in here and you just simply click the takeoff that you wanted to see the results of. And then this will open up the view I was just showing you with the takeoff.